Here at Hookuaaina, we have our Kupuohi education program, which is a K through 12 multi-visit ʻāina-based program. What we did was we mapped out 4 different themes that ramp up each quarter. For the first quarter, we focus on kalo, which really talks about respect. The second quarter, we talk about loʻi, which discusses balance and how to cultivate good relationships between kanaka, between akua, as well as between ʻāina. Third quarter, we focus on laulima, which talks about working together as a community and as an ohana. And fourth quarter is vai, where we discuss what does it look like to celebrate abundance and how do we continue to steward that abundance well. If you're interested in scheduling a visit with our Kupuohi education program, please check us out at www.hookuaaina.org and click on schedule a visit, or you can also email us at info@hookuaaina.org. Mahalo nui.